I am just doing a video of my Mongoose bike where I'm having a problem with the gears. It's only changing up to from gear 4 to 7, and it doesn't go back to 3, 2 or 1. Now I've taken off the cover and I can't figure it out. I've checked the cable at the derailleur down at the bottom and it's fine. And when I take the cover off, you can see it's this type of shifter. And I'll try and do it now. The cable goes like that and nothing moves. The other way it goes, and back up to 4, it's fine. When it gets there it doesn't do anything, but if I twist it by hand, just bear with me a sec. Yeah, so when I had it before, I could twist this and it would go back to gear 1, but it still wouldn't go back. Oh, sorry, yes, I would be able to twist this when I had the cable loose at the bottom near where the sprockets are, but now it doesn't let me twist it. But as you can see, there's no play on this. It doesn't engage the cogs at all. Any help or suggestions would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.